In this video, we will learn how to resize the column and row in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet. I have here some data. I want to resize the column. Just select first column and you can drag it and resize this column. There is a second way. Just select the column and double click. Select the column and double click on that. You can see the it's auto fit the data in column. There is a third way. Just select the column, those you want to resize. Right click of the mouse, you get here option resize column D to I. Just select it, column name. Just click on that, enter the new column width. You can enter here. I just enter the 90. There is a second option fit to data. It is a fit in data size created. I enter the new column width and OK 90. You can see here D to I column is fit in 90 bit. Okay. Now you're going to see the row, how to row fit. The same as column resize, just drag it. There is a one option. You can double click on the and there is a second way. Select the column, right click of the mouse, resize the row. You can enter here. I just enter the 80 and click on OK. You can see here. If you want to fit auto fit in the data in row, just select the first all column. These are the selected column and just double click on the any column line. You can see your data is auto fitted. Same as the column, you can select the all column and row. Just double click on that. You can see here the data is auto fit. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.